U.S. history, people. Hey, good to see you today. Friday, April 10th. Here's what we got on the schedule. First, complete the April 10th due now assignment. Now, notice those are just really easy points, and it's a way for me to take attendance. So please keep doing those. Those of you that aren't, it's not held against you, but be pretty easy to accomplish. So keep up with those. Second, for this segment, we're going to focus in on the Holocaust. In the earlier assignments, we learned about Nazism, and we learned about how Nazis believed that human beings were not created equally and wanted to create a pure Aryan racially based society in Germany. And the way to accomplish that from the Nazi perspective was essentially to murder the entire Jewish population of Europe. And unfortunately for humanity, they were awfully successful in accomplishing that by murdering over 6.5 million Jewish people and almost 12 million people total. So for this segment of the course, we're going to be doing two things to focus in on that. The first assignment is called the Holocaust Introduction, and it's about a 6-minute video. That's due on Tuesday, April 14th. And the second is the reading assignment from the textbook focused in on the Holocaust. And that is chapter 24, section 3. That section can be found in your resources folder, and that is also due on Tuesday, April 14th. If you have any questions, we saw a few more people today in the video conference, so if you have any questions or need help with anything, or I would just really like you to stop in and say hello, please do so on Monday, April 13th at 11 a.m. We'll have our video conference then. Last couple things here. There is another extra credit assignment available. It's called the Battle of Britain, and it focuses in on part of the reading that's due today about the early part of the war in Europe and about the Battle of Britain. So if you want to learn more detail on what took place and why the Prime Minister of Great Britain, Winston Churchill, said that so much is owed to so few, I'd encourage you to watch it because it's about the RAF pilots and about how the British were able to fend off the German attack from the Luftwaffe or German Air Force. So that's an extra credit assignment. Again, it'd be really helpful for you to watch if you have time. It's about a 5-minute segment. And then last, again, let me know how I can help you. I want everybody to succeed in this difficult time. And however I can help, please just contact me. Call. You can contact me through Schoology, through email, whatever. All right? See you soon, hopefully.